place value of bigger numbers. Look at the number on a board 42, 62, 461. Now we are going to write the place values of each digit according to the Indian number system. Now look at the digit 1. It is at 1's place. So its place value is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, look at the digit at 10's place. It is 6. So its place value is 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Similarly, now look at the digit 4. It is at 100's place. So its place value is 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Similarly, we can find the place values of all the digits like this. Look at the digit 2. It is at 1000's place. So its place value is 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000. Now look at the digit 6. It is at 10,000's place. So its place value is 6 multiplied by 10000 is equal to 60000. Look at the digit 2. It is at lakhs place. So its place value is 2 multiplied by 100,000 is equal to 200,000. Similarly, look at the digit 4. It is at 10 lakhs place. So its place value is 4 multiplied by 100,000 is equal to 400,000. So in this way we can write place value of digit of a number according to Indian number system. And for international number system, we just need to replace the place values of Indian number system with place values of international number system. Like this. In Indian and international system. Look at the number 94, 12, 871. Now look at the comma which shows this number is written according to Indian number system. How would we read the numbers? We can read this number by using place value table of Indian system. So we first show the table of this number as shown, and then we place given number in this table like this. Now look at the numbers in the lakhs period. It is 94. So we read it as 94 lakhs. Let's now move to thousands period. So what number you see? It is 12. So we read it as 12 thousands. And the number in ones period is 871. And we read it as 871. So now we can read the given number as 94 lakhs 12,871. But how do you read the number in the international system? To understand this, let us take this number 6, 875, 842. Again, we first show the table of this number according to international number as shown, and then we place the given number in this table like this. Now how do we read the number? Same as we read the number in the Indian system. So we have the number 6,875,842. Inserting commas in Indian number system. Today we are going to study inserting commas according to the Indian number system. Let us take a number 2, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 1. Now we need to put commas in this number according to Indian number system. So let us first understand what is Indian number system. So look at this table. Here these 4 columns are called periods. So this is the ones period. This is the thousands period. This is the lakhs period. This is the crores period. Let us understand these periods one by one. As you see, these periods are divided into three sub-columns: ones, tens and hundreds. Similarly, thousands period is divided into two sub-columns: thousands and 10,000s. Now look at the lakh and crores periods. They are also divided into two sub-columns as lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now what do we do? Now in a number we put commas after each period. This means that the first comma is put after the hundredths digit starting from the right side of the number. Second comma we put before thousands period, that is after two place from the first comma, here we put it. Third comma we put after lakhs period, that is after two places from the first comma as shown. So we get the number as 23, 53, 64, 751. So this is how we insert comma in the Indian number system.